Oh yeah. 10 past, you said? It's not, mate. 15 minutes. He said 10 past, ladies and gents. 10, what? Piss off. Fashionably late. What does that look like? In fact, it's 16 minutes, mate. Yeah, whatever. Let's do this, shall we, pleb? Well, you need to come and help me, yeah. Don't know. Maybe? No? Probably not. Alright then. So if you couldn't tell from that little exchange, ladies and gents, I arranged to meet Nick at 10 past, but he's failed. So what we're doing anyway, finally, we're installing this, hopefully. Hopefully we're installing this, guys. I know it's been a long time. I've had this for months in my conservatory. Got the glass from Japan, because apparently that's a thing. This car, they don't have glass. It's a specialist part. Here he is, fashionably late. Get away from my car. What are you doing? Right, anyway, let's load this up and then we're going to go. So this is what we've had to do. I had to put it on top of this. This is a Volvo XC90, and the glass is in there. And we did think, oh yeah, it would work. You know, we'll take the boot out. It'll definitely work. Absolutely, 100%. No, apparently not. And then called the windscreen place, and was like, oh, you know, can you come down? Because obviously we're putting it on a roof and it looks dangerous. I mean, this is safe, don't worry. But yeah, so called him, and this is what we have to deal with in the UK. People just don't want to work. He's like, oh, well, you know, if we called earlier in the week, maybe, but we only work till lunchtime. Mate, it's not even 10 o'clock. It's like people just don't want to work in the UK, and they wonder why the economy sucks. Absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, we're going to leave now. Right, so basically, I'm not even fucking speaking properly, am I? What a twat. So I've not introduced the video yet. Shut up. God. Unbelievable. God damn it! It's outtakes. Probably gonna. Shall I leave this in? I'm still talking. Yeah. Right, anyway, so welcome. Obviously, we're doing hopefully, anyway, going to be doing the carbon fibre boot today. You guys know I've had it for months. I've not introduced the video yet, so I thought we'd introduce it now. This is Nick, guys. You've seen him on the channel before with the supercharged Miata. Might actually have something a little bit better soon. Yep. But we're not.
Oh, emergency stop.
That's really. I mean,
that was stupid.
There's over there. You could have just gone as well.
I know, but I want to be on this.
We need to get out. God damn it.
You can carry on talking.
Oh my God! Does he not understand vlogging? Clearly not.
Hasn't even moved.
Oh, I'm still talking here. Oh, this video is going to be so fucked up. Right, oh God. Well, so we had to stop because obviously it's on the roof and we're slowly driving around country lanes. We were going to hop on the motorway, but then wind and things like that, it's just not worth the risk. And if it falls off, God forbid. Anyway, we're doing the carbon fibre boot. You right?
I don't know,
just having a look, are you? It's just having a look, guys. Do you want to say anything?
You've got the camera just where the mirror is, so I was just looking to see if.
No, you weren't though, were you?
Yeah, I was.
But I can't see anything, so how can you?
I can see. Yeah.
Right. Anyway, whatever.
Right.
So.
Like a married couple.
Fuck, this video is gonna be terrible for people. God damn. Anyway, we're hopefully going to do the boot today. It's been sat in my conservatory for months on end. I had to order the glass. It's not something which they stock in the UK. You have to basically special order it from Japan. Weird. So hopefully going to do that today, but we've obviously had to strap it to the roof and we're going down to a fitting place because it was quicker to get it like installed at their location rather than here, you know, with like a mobile unit. So that's what we're doing. This is Nick. We're driving his XC90 today.
Old man car.
It's super old man. It's the worst gearbox ever.
Yep.
And the weirdest roly-poly suspension ever as well.
And also really crashy at the same time. Crashy and squishy.
Oh yeah, the suspension's terrible. So, yeah, this is a car vlog. Enjoy it, guys. All right, so we've got it back. Nick's over there being a nuisance again, and got it off the roof. All good. Sorry, I didn't record any of that. But obviously they were kind of busy doing their thing, and I just wanted to leave them to it. Now, what we're going to do, We're going to dismantle all of this. Don't mind the boxes. Going to dismantle all of this, take all of the provisions off, so the wing, brake light can actually stay in there because I've got a new one. So this one, how's it going, Nick? Is that coffee on a hot day?
Coffee on a hot day.
That's odd, but never mind. Not tea.
Sleepy.
Not tea.
I don't like tea.
I thought you were British.
No.
I don't like tea either, so it's fine.
Don't like tea.
And basically that's it really. We're just going to try and just pop it on. The main thing that we discovered last time, wasn't it, was the screws.
Yeah, bolts.
This one has, OEM has bolts in it. This one doesn't, but we've got some over there, and some Loctite. So we're hoping to chuck it in and just put it on and way plain sailing, but it's not going to happen like that, obviously. So what we're probably going to do now, just time lapse it. But I will say, because it's so hot, the phone might cut out. So if you don't see some of it, then that's why. But yeah, let's just get to time lapsing it. No, I've put sunscreen on, so I look a bit sweaty. Yeah, but it's not, like, it's just glistening, isn't it? What?
Just call yourself glistening, it's just really funny. That's the only thing, maybe a bit
No. Right, then.
This one really is only good for scrap, which is a bit of a shame.
Yeah.
Because it's got all the holes in it. Yeah,
Yeah, it is a shame. It would be good to sell it.
you sold that spoiler, didn't you? It's a good deal.
Yeah. Didn't hear anything back from them.
It's good news though, isn't it? See,
No news, good news, I guess.
exactly, mate.
So the holes are at this end. Right, so finally actually got it on. Here we go. This it lined up pretty good actually from the off. I will say though, this like worst thing ever to do. Super pain in the ass. Looks good though. Super happy with it. The thing which throws it off, which you'll see, is the louver line. It just throws the line off ever so slightly. So I need to remount the louvers. And now all we're doing is just taking off all the provisions of the old boot, and then chucking it all on there. Got a new brake light and everything like that to go on as well. How did that go, Nick?
Hot. Nah, it's alright.
It is red hot. Like touching that, nah.
Did you mention
You don't
the
want to
guys that did the glass? So
What?
the guys that did the glass had Cybon parts on his car, and he said
Oh, that yeah.
didn't fit very well, but this
Yeah,
fits perfect.
yeah, they had them for an Evo, and they were kind of mouthing off saying how they they don't fit right and stuff, and saying that Sabon's crap. And like Sabon's good, but I wouldn't say they're the best of the absolute best, because the bonnet isn't Sabon, and that fits absolutely brilliantly.
I think it's better than that.
Yeah, the bonnet is actually better than the Sabon boot lid. But in all fairness, I think that's epic. I'm really happy with that. Obviously, we've still got the Sabon wing to go on eventually as well. But basically, all we're going to do now, take off the provisions, start putting it all on, and just finishing it up. Another video will be drilling into the boot. I'm not going to do that today. Just going to seal this up and get it good to go. And then we'll do that another day. So yeah, let's do some more time lapsing, I guess. Or I'll probably just show you it when it's all done. Or, you know, either or. Right. So what we're trying to do now is apply all of the provisions. So we've realised that actually, with these on, with the bump stops, which you do need, because otherwise it gets stuck, it's not weighty enough. So what we've done, we've put the weight back on. So every 370Z has a weight to it. So we put this back on. Funny, right? You know, you remove weight by putting a carbon fibre boot on. I think I can sit down. Oh, no, maybe not.
It's all clear enough here.
So because what we're trying to do is put the provisions through, we need to obviously apply all the wires. and they're just a real bitch basically. So what we're trying to do is put something through the boot, which we can then attach the wires to pull through. This one was really easy. These ones, not so much. So we'll update you when we're a little bit further into it. It's really not that exciting currently at this point in time, but it looks good, doesn't it?
Boots. Yeah, it looks good.
Oh god. Right, so managed to get a lot of it sorted now actually. I will say not easy at all. So to get all of these wires, which is, you know, all of it, quite literally stretching all the way along here, it goes down this hole. We put some of the provisions on now, down this hole, and then out there, and you have to kind of feed it all up through. And we had to get, what do we do? Oh yes, very inventive. We put some lavender. You think I'm joking? I'm actually not joking. We put some lavender, attached it to some rope down there, to then attach the wires to the rope, because the rope wouldn't just go down. But as you can see, the Sabon does have the provisions for the plastics, which is awesome. So it's going on. These gas struts will have to come back off because they're actually too powerful for it, and it just pulls up. You can't push it back down basically. So it'd just be dangerous, because if it rattles or it moves and it just pops ever so slightly, it'll just come flinging up. So we've done that. Actually put all the provisions on back for this heated windscreen, rear screen, whatever you want to call it. So it's all coming together now. Really, really good. I know a lot of people will probably be watching this. Well, I say a lot of people, probably no one will be watching this. But my point is that the people that will be watching this will be thinking about it's carbon fibre and things like that. And obviously we're trying to do this for a street car. So, I want I want the heated rear glass to work. I want the provisions to go on. If it's a race car and a track car, no one cares. It's fine. No one gives a crap. But we care about this, so I do anyway. The last thing that we need to do, or will need to do, is put these on. So the weather stripping. Now, exactly like I did, if anyone remembers, on the carbon fibre bonnet, the weather stripping I had to VHB it on the bonnet, and we'll have to do the same thing on the boot. So we'll have to VHB this back on, which is not a big deal, pretty easy to be fair. Like in the grand scheme of things, that's like one of the easiest things to do. And because it's so gloriously hot at the moment, don't need to worry about it just yet. So I can do that tomorrow, and then obviously probably do that tomorrow as well. So the last thing now really is to get the new rear brake light in, which has been freshly buffed, so it looks nice and shiny. Get that in, seal it, because we've got a bead of sealant over there, and then pop the last provision on, the plastic trim, and then and then take them off, and then it's done. So yeah, I'll show you when it's all done. Nick, mission accomplished?
Yep. Yeah, we did it.
Give me thumbs up.
Sorry.
Thumbs up, friends.
Cigarettes from earlier on. Yep.
What?
It's a blister from the rope.
He's got a blister. Anyway, so we've done it. We've done it all. No spoiler at the moment. Still down there. I did say we're going to do that another day. New brake lights in. It all works. It's actually, fitment is pretty damn decent. It's good. I'm happy with it. So thank you all for watching. Take care.